My name's Seb and I'm a research product manager here at AD Instruments. I work most closely day to day with our hardware development team, which is spread out between the office here in Sydney and the team over in New Zealand as well. So it's really my job to get the voice of the customer into the hardware development team and make sure that we're making the most relevant and best products that we can for our customers. So I work with our end customers in a lot of different capacities, I think. Part of it's being aware of what our support team are dealing with day to day and the sort of problems with existing products that are out in the market or the sort of types of problems that our customers face. Part of it's being up to date with what the sales team are doing and what their customers are asking them for that they may or may not be able to sort of fulfill at the moment. So it's always sort of having your ear to the ground there and understanding what's going on with the rest of our organisation that are talking to customers every day. So there's that side of things, and then also once we're a little bit further into a project and we've decided that we're going to build a particular product, there's then some really sort of fun conversations to have with customers there where you can explore some of the ideas that the team have had, bring them to customers and just see how they respond to those different sorts of ideas. And those are all very different conversations when you're talking to a customer about selling a specific product that we have versus them having a particular technical problem that we're trying to work through with them versus trying to test some new ideas and some new stuff to see whether we're on the right track with what we're thinking internally or not. And all those interactions are different and interesting. So I was involved in PowerLab C and C series right from its inception all the way through to shipping. This was really a chance to rethink what the PowerLab should be, take the best bits of the old PowerLab and try to bring that forward into the modern life science lab. And I think we've done a fairly good job of building a platform, based on a new set of technology that we can build on for the next little while at least, with the next stuff that we're going to work on. I think there's a lot of smart people at AD Instruments all around the world with a lot of different experiences and stuff that they're bringing in. I also think it's quite telling that there are a lot of people, not just in Sydney, but I think in other offices as well, that have been with ADI for quite a long time. It seems like having people hang around for a long time is a pretty good sign. I think I like the size of AD Instruments as a company generally, because I think it's big enough that we have we're a global team and we've got a big enough team that we can really do something meaningful in our industry. But it's also small enough that you have a chance of knowing everyone, and they're always pretty flexible with letting you pursue whatever things you're interested in. It's not a big company where you're pigeonholed in one little thing and then there's a particular progression rung that you can either go up or not. It's always pretty open in terms of being interested in something and you can just sort of make that happen. So I think that's a benefit as well.